Good morning everyone. I think I told you a wee while ago I was reading the book by Marie Kondo, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I think that's what it's called. I'll insert a little link up here to the book. Absolutely amazing and truly is life-changing. If you've read it, you'll know what I mean. It's not a big book, but it's just how you can go about decluttering your home. She goes in to explain some of the reasons why we actually hoard some of the stuff, which really starts to make sense and makes you really question about why we buy so much stuff. So I've kind of been going through parts of my house, and I haven't done a full KonMari method of cleaning up my house. I would like to, but I find it just a little bit daunting at the moment. But I've definitely been working on some areas of the house, and it certainly makes a difference. I've done my clothes, I've done some areas of the kitchen, definitely not the way that she suggests you should do it, because you're really meant to pull every single thing out and re-look at it all before you put it all back in again. But little stages, you know. I don't have a lot of time. If I was at home more often, I would definitely tackle it properly, I reckon, and it would be a lot of fun. But I'm not, so I'm just doing small areas of the house at a time. So I've done my clothes, like I said. I've just done the bathroom cabinet, so I thought I would film it and just show you what I've kept and what I've thrown away and the reasons why. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to declutter your house, then I would definitely recommend reading the book. There's quite a few videos on YouTube about it as well, and there's people that have put up their videos of them doing their decluttering, and by all means mine is not to that level, but you know, baby steps. So yeah, if you want to have a look at my before and after bathroom cabinet, then let's get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the moment. It's not too bad, but there's a lot of products in there that aren't being used or are double ups, and it needs a damn good clean inside. So I am going to pull everything out and clean and put it all back in, hopefully decluttering along the way. Let's see how we go. So this product I'm showing you here is the Renewing Softener. I'm really excited to put this into my collection to start using. It smells absolutely amazing and it works like a toner. I'm also adding in the firming eye cream. Sorry, it was a little bit blurry there. I'm testing a new camera. But this is an amazing eye cream and really love it for just firming the gentle, delicate skin under the eyes. And I'm also just giving everything here a quick wipe down as I put it all back on the shelf. It's amazing how dirty and grubby everything gets, so it's always good to just give it a little bit of a clean. And with my brushes, I find some brush cleaner is the best way to make them all nice and sparkly new on the container. Okay, so that is it. So much tidier. I've put a plant up the top there, my little African violet. I've had him for years and years and years. He badly needs replanting, but he seems happy and he's flowering, so we'll leave him be. Then the top shelf is just daily bits and pieces. Next shelf is my skincare, so I've had a good clean out of there. Next shelf is the other half shaving bits and pieces. Then down here, and I'm kind of dictated by the size of the shelf, so it was a little bit awkward on which ones went where, but we've got makeup brushes and cotton balls. Then on this shelf down here, I've just got my essential oils that I use on a daily basis, lash serum and lip balm. Down the bottom there is just more hair care and shaving bits and pieces that we use daily, and spare toilet rolls at the bottom. So that is way better and uncluttered. Love it. So down here, this pile here, I'm just going to, they were sort of all double ups. I've got this cleanser here from Elemis. I bought this when I was at a resort and there's not much left, so I'm going to take that away with me on holiday, and that should use that up. I've got a spare dry shampoo. I don't need two in the cupboard at the same time. I've got another moisturiser. I don't need double ups of moisturisers, so that'll go in my spare box. Bondi Sands oil that can go with the rest of my tanning stuff. And then I've got this little bottle here which is actually empty, but I use this for mixing oils for hair serums and face serums and things like that, so I don't want to throw that away because I want to reuse it. And then here is the rubbish pile of stuff that I'm decluttering. So I feel quite brave. I've chucked away things that are full. So we've got this serum here, which was very nice. It's nearly at its end. There's hardly anything left in there, and I really felt like I was just using it for the sake of using it. We've got some old packaging. I've got some old serums here. I've got the dark spot serum. You can't get this anymore. This was part of the old Melisette whitening system. It was great stuff, but this is well and truly expired. Same with this one, which is the Targeted Action Eye Revitalizer. Great for puffy eyes, but well and truly expired. Some lip scrub. I've barely used this. I think this was the original one when I joined Mary Kay 14 years ago. I just don't use it. I don't get cracked lips, luckily. Some old hair ties. Spots solution for acne prone. I'm pretty sure this one's expired and I don't really break out anymore. An old sample. It's not used, but I didn't actually like it, so I'm not going to use it. Old razor container I was keeping for something. This lightning spray, Nordic lightning spray, was for blonding your hair. I get my hair professionally done, so I'm not going to use this. I've heard it's actually quite bad for your hair, but it was for touching up roots, so I'm going to get rid of that. And this one's an oldie or a goodie, Cellushape Nighttime Body Gel. Who remembers that? There's still a lot of product there, but I just don't use it, and it's really old, so that is going to go in the bin.